Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Candy Crush running slow, lagging during candy swaps, or stuttering through level animations? Here are 3 quick iPhone fixes that speed it back up. First, go to your settings app, then go to general and iPhone storage. Check the storage bar at the top. If your storage is nearly full, Candy Crush slows down dramatically since it needs free space to load level graphics and special candy animations smoothly. Tap Offload app on a few unused apps to free up room quickly. Next, in the settings itself, go back and scroll down and find Candy Crush Saga or just directly search for it. Once you find it, tap on it and make sure to turn background app refresh on. This helps the game stay partially loaded instead of starting from zero every time you open it. After that, close every other app running in your recent app list since Candy Crush animations and special candy effects are graphics heavy and compete within whatever else is running in the background. Finally, restart your phone completely since this clears temporary memory buildup that accumulates over long day season and contributes to lag. So all you've got to do is free up space, turn on background app refresh, close other apps and restart your iPhone. Candy Crush will run smoothly again and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.